So while Aaron's over there tackling all of this, I'm going to be down here ripping all this off. Obviously not this side, it'll be in Aaron's way. I'm going to come around that side and do the rear, then the passenger, and then when Aaron's finished welding, I'll get around to this side and rip everything off. Let's go. So get this caliper off. Just like that. Aaron and his dad jokes, said get us turn the steering out towards me so we can get that shock off, and he says that's shocking. It's so bad. But yeah, a lot of rusty nuts, rusty bolts to come off, causing a few problems, but getting there. Yeah, that's one shock out. Fairly shocking.
Pushing on that way, look.
Yeah, Alex, so it's all coming out now. Now I have everything off but this drop link, so I'm going to whack that off, and then that's all that hub assembly off the passenger side. What an absolute dream to work on. Smashed a few fingers, but it's all out. All in there can be cleaned up. This can be taken out as well, replace all the bushes, clean it up, schultz it. Aaron also got coilovers for the car, which we will show you later on in the episode, but for now that's all of the suspension components off on the passenger side. Yeah, these are all getting sandblasted. Calipers will be getting done, hubs all be done, all the bolts are going to be stripped and redone. So yeah, that was fun. Now on to the back one.
Does that sound good?
obviously Aaron's going OTT with the welding just to make sure that it's done right. There are a few bits on the stills that need to be still done. My fucking finger hurt. But yeah, I'm gonna head off. It's my kiddo's birthday, so I'm gonna go and do birthday cake and stuff, and we will come back to this tomorrow.